This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011-239-78046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Mairang Civil Subdivision in Meghalaya will be upgraded into a new district under the name Eastern West Khasi Hills District with the headquarters at Mairang today. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will inaugurate the new district in the presence of local MLA and Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Medba Lyngdoh. The Eastern West Khasi Hills District will be the 12th district of the state. Union Minister of State in the Prime Minister's Office and Minister of State for Earth Sciences, Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, yesterday inaugurated a Centre of Excellence for Bioresources and Sustainable Development and Rural Technology Demonstration Centre at Kimin in Papumpare district of Arunachal Pradesh. Dr. Singh said that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a vision to bring the northeastern states at par with most developed states in Western India like Gujarat and Maharashtra. 2 years ago, the Union government amended the Northeastern Council Act so that the deprived and neglected sections of the society get special attention and special grants. The Manipur government has decided to reopen physical classes for 9 and above standards in all educational institutes in the state. The Education Department said that COVID-19 positive cases are considerably low for the past few months and there have been conditional relaxation of public activities. Education Minister S. Rajan said that the reopening of schools, colleges and other educational institutes shall be subject to observance of guidelines issued by the Health Department. Teaching hours will be limited to 3 to 4 for both online and physical classes and no cultural or sporting events will be permitted. The attendance of students must not be enforced and shall be purely based on parental consent. In Manipur, 49 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. One COVID-19 related death of a person who was not vaccinated was also reported. Also, 40 more COVID-19 patients were discharged from health centers after recovery. Meghalaya reported one COVID-19 related death yesterday, tallying the total fatalities to 1,460. The Directorate of Health Services informed in a statement that the state also recorded 28 new COVID-19 cases, taking the number of active cases up to 319. The state reported 57 more recoveries, which surged the number of recovered cases to 82,135. The Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA Schools Association, a conglomeration of SSA teachers from all 11 districts, has once again been compelled to take to the streets to demand for their pending salaries of nearly 6 months. The peaceful rally yesterday witnessed over thousands of people from all the districts coming out to air their grievances. A march was carried out from Lung Jingthanbreu, which culminated at Students' Field, Jayao and Shillong. Chhath Puja is being celebrated across the northeastern region along with the rest of the country with religious fervor and devotion today. Devotees will offer Sandhya Arghya to the setting sun on the 3rd day of the festival this evening. On this occasion, folk songs are sung at the banks of water bodies and rivers. The 4-day Chhath Puja will culminate tomorrow with oblation to the rising sun. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.